Hey, hi friend, this is Taposh and welcome to this video. So in this video, we will learn another productivity hacks in Microsoft Excel. So we will learn, suppose you have a big data and there is some missing data, some incorrect data or some missing data, and you want to repair it, you want to fill it. So within because if you have a lots of data, time matters, right? So within few minutes you need to resolve it. Okay, so in this particular video I will show you how we can do it. For suppose you have a big data, and if you want to do it manually, it will take a lot of time. I will show you how we can rectify it within few minutes. It will increase our productivity, it will help us to reduce our working time and make us super productive. Okay, so here I have used one dummy data. Suppose this kind of data you have, maybe large data, of course you will have large data. So what is the problem here is, suppose here inside Mumbai, these are the departments are there, like finance, accounting, human resource, cyber security, all these departments are there. Now for the other city as well, like Bangalore is there, Hyderabad is there, like that way I think 10-15 cities are there. So now the problem is, you want to, suppose this also comes under Mumbai city, like right, like the next thing also, all these things are comes under Bangalore city. Okay, so now you want to fill it like that way. Suppose you need to copy it and then you need to paste it, or you can just shift down arrow and then control D, like this way. Then again you need to select Bangalore, then you need to go shift down arrow and then till Hyderabad. Now I will go there, then control D, or I can copy Hyderabad and then I can select this page, a blank page, and then control V. Like this way I have to do all the things. Okay, like this way I have to do. So now suppose you have 1 lakh data, you are playing with the big data, or you have few thousands data. So if you do it manually like this way, it will take hours and hours. Even you will be frustrated to correct that data. You will be frustrated that it will take more than, suppose depends on the data quantity you have, how much data you have. If it is 1,000 lakhs and million billions data you have, manually it is next to impossible. Correct. So what you can do is, here is a shortcut, here is a better way that will make us productive, and that will reduce our working time, and we can deliver more work in less time. Okay, so now control Z, I will do it like this. Now see, I will use one shortcut, a best practice I will share with you. So before that, what I need to do is, I need to select the entire data. So how you can select it? I will just select like this way, the entire data, or like manually with cursor, with mouse I can do it. Like this way I can select. Otherwise what I do is shift or right arrow, then control shift down arrow. So very fast I can do it. Now here it is. Control shift down arrow, like this way with control shift down arrow I can select the my data range. Okay, now here is what we can do is, we will go to home tab, and then home tab, and then we will select this edit option, then we will go this find and select option, and there we will get go to special option. So this is what, then we will select blank. Okay, then we will press OK. So here is one shortcut as well. So what you can do is control G. If you press, you will come to the same place almost. Then you need to select the special, and there, here it is. So manually we can select blank, or we can press K, so it will the shortcut key, or we can manually select blank. And now what we will do is, we will press OK. Okay, now what will happen is, all the empty cells, all the empty rows, all the empty cells are been selected. Okay, see, below Mumbai, below Bengaluru, below Hyderabad, all the empty cells are been selected. because I have selected the data range, I have given the data range, and inside the data range all the blank cells are been selected. Now what I will do is I will go to this formula bar. Okay, this is formula bar. I will go there without doing anything. I will press equal, and now what I will do is I will provide the first cell name. I will just provide the first cell name. For me it is A2. I can write it down like A2, or I can select the row as well. So now what I will do is I will select this thing, so A2, not the office one. Okay, my data, that is the office name, but that would not be my data. My data is from Mumbai only. So I will select the first row. Okay, now instead of only enter, we will enter control enter. So now see what happens, control enter. Now see how it's filled my data. See Mumbai, all the blank space Mumbai, then after Bengaluru all the blank space become Bengaluru, after Hyderabad all the blank space become Hyderabad, Chennai, Kolkata, Jaipur, Pune, Ahmedabad, there is no blank space, all the blank space are filled with that. Okay, so I think you have got the idea. Suppose you have millions of billions data, a lot of data you have. If you do it manually, it will take a lot of time, but instead of that you can use this function, you can use this formula, not a formula, it's a function. So you can use that, go to special option, and there you can do this within few minutes. If you have 1,000 lakhs or million billion data, so you can do it within few minutes instead of manually doing it. Manually you will be frustrated, you will take a lot of time, and finally it may not be completed. But here you can use this, it will increase your productivity, and it will reduce your working time. You can deliver more work in less time. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video, where we will discuss any other productivity tool, other productivity functions inside Microsoft Excel. Okay, so yeah, thanks. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.